Today we are going to draw a astronaut walking on a moon. So now let's start with the square. But here in the square, one edge should be curved like this. And we are going to parallel it with another line, just like this. Now draw outer circle. It should not touch the inner square, just like this. Okay, now we are going to have the ear part. Two dots exact in the same place for the opposite side, and two dots as neck. And now let's draw the hand. So just a curve like this. So astronaut suit we are drawing. Okay, now the body part, center part. This is going to be the leg, so we are just going to do a straight line, add in a shoe, straight line, again a straight line, add in a shoe and a straight line. Okay, now to add the belt, we are just going to add a square, smaller square, a circle and two lines. So this astronaut suit, we are going to just add the details, just like this, small details to make it look like a suit. So this is going to be the one elbow, another elbow, this is one knee, another knee of the astronaut. Now let's draw the straight line of the suit. This is going to be the belt part, finish it with two lines parallel. Now look carefully, the curves that I am placing, 1, 2, 3. One curve here, 1, 2, and a bigger curve from neck to near the belt. Okay, now the leg part, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the oxygen tank. So make sure the square is just like this. Connect the square in the back side. Okay, since we have the astronaut suit in the front, we cannot see the whole oxygen tank. Now we have 5 fingers as the gloves, another 5 fingers for the gloves. So that's it. Now we have the astronaut. So this is going to be a glare for the astronaut glass. Okay, awesome. Let's move on to the moon. So for the moon, just draw a small ellipse and parallel line just like this and like this. Similarly add like this, and this has to be little bit slanted this side, another one like this. Yes, and two lines here and two small lines here, and we are going to draw the bigger curve. This is going to be the moon, just like this, and complete it here. Okay, now just dots from here, just to make the surface. Moon surface won't be clean, right? Now we are going to draw the earth, and we are going to just draw a random 3 part for the land. Now let's start coloring the astronaut. I'm going to take the light blue. The thing about this astronaut is you need not color the entire image. I'm just coloring the hair part and lightly shading inside the glass part of the astronaut's helmet. Just like this, very lightly, don't put too much pressure. And the oxygen tank. Because you need not color the whole entire image. Still little bit white gives you a lot of detail for an image. That's one of a trick. This oxygen tank, then the shoes, then I'm just drawing the belt and one curve here, the 4 knee, small circles, and now I'm going to take the cream color to give the glove. That's it, the astronaut is done. Now let's draw the earth. So for the earth, I'm first going to give the outline, a dark outline inside, so that it will be easy for the coloring. I'm making sure that the land part doesn't touch light blue. So I'm just giving an outline just like this. I'm just coloring it slow and steady in one direction. Make sure the coloring is in one direction and there is no white shown. Just in one direction I'm coloring it slow and steady. Just slow and steady. I'm making sure there is no white. Here too. That's it. So the water body of the earth is done. Now let's take the light green and color the land part. Okay. So I'm making sure that I'm coloring the three pieces that I have here. Here and here. I'm making sure I just cover the land part with light green. You can even use dark green here. So now the earth is done. Now let's go on to the moon surface. For the moon surface, just draw the outline first. So we are going to blend black and silver. See, like this you just give a dark outline. Okay, just a dark outline, and here this side color the curve. Similarly, dark outline here and like this, just outline. Okay, now take the silver and blend it. Give very huge pressure so that you won't be seeing the black very fully. So you just give like this. So you can see it's blending perfectly and you can see the moon coming in like a 3D picture. Give all the black outline that you have done. So you need to blend it as much as possible that you can see only silver rather than full black. Okay, so again this end. You need to give so much pressure to blend it. Okay, just like this. Just like this. Just like this. Here too. And here too. Blend it. Blend it, blend it, blend it very well. And then give a very light shading of silver all over the moon surface. Very light shading. Do not put so much pressure. White should be little visible because moon surface will be white, little bit grayish, right? So you need to be giving very less pressure at the same time coloring it in single direction. So I'm giving it in a single curve direction. If you see, right, it's a curve direction. I'm just giving it in a curve direction so the moon is perfectly coming to life. So now I'm just going to write my sign. That's it. We have an astronaut walking on the moon who's seeing the earth.